Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinky, and today I'm going to be going through some more automotive tools and accessories from Temu. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be going through some more automotive tools and accessories that we got from Temu. Okay, so I'm just going to empty out the bag here on the table, and then we'll just go through all of this stuff and see what we got, because we did get quite a bit of stuff this time around. Alright, and some of this stuff I don't even remember what we ordered, so I'm just going to sort this out a little bit and then we'll go through all these. Alright, so I'm just going to go through and show you what we ordered. And like I said, some of this I don't even remember what it was. So starting out, we've got a mount holder, multifunction mount holder. So there you go. I think it's supposed to hold your cell phone or other electronic device on your dashboard or wherever you want to stick it to. So there's that. Next, I've got the smallest car in the world, according to this package. And there you go. So I'll have to try that out. We've got an OBD2 diagnostic interface. This will plug into your car, and then you should be able to read it with a cell phone. This, I believe, is a steering wheel cover, and so this will attach to your steering wheel, and then it reflects the sunlight off of it so your steering wheel doesn't get hot. Alright, and these are eyelashes to put on your car, and we actually got this for, there we go, car eyelashes. So we actually got this for my wife's Beetle, which we no longer own, but I don't know, might make a good gift. And then we've got a travel Kleenex that goes in your cup holder. And then my wife got me an umbrella hat. There we go. This is actually going to be really nice because, you know, we do get a lot of rain here. And so there that is. That looks real nice. I'll have to get a shot of me wearing this. So this actually hurts my head. Alright, next we have some kind of an automotive detailing duster. So I can't get this green thing to stretch out far enough to get over this handle. Oh, maybe. There we go. Okay. So it's like a little duster, and it's on this handle that, you know, will tilt and whatever. I don't know. Next. Alright, we've got this little duster thing here, and it telescopes, so you can get into hard to reach places. So it looks like my wife got a lot of detailing stuff. Alright, next is some type of a detailing brush here. Alright, this is like a 2-in-1 thing. We've got the little bristle end here, the little brush, and then it's got these little dusters, and it looks like you would use this to probably clean like the air vents in your car. So kind of nice. Next we have an automotive stethoscope. So you can let the engine run and see where the heck that noise is coming from if you hear noise from the engine. So kind of nice to have one of these. And this was incredibly cheap. I mean, it's all cheap. It's from Temu, so. Alright, next is a valve stem core remover. And then we've got this. I have no idea why you would need this, but plugs into your car's battery, and it's like a cigarette lighter. So there you go. So you can have a power right off your car battery. I'm sure it's totally safe. There is a brake fluid tester. There you go. It's got the instructions right on it, how it works. So that's an interesting little tool. Then we've got the clear coat applicator. It is a scratch repair filler and sealer. So it's like one of those paint pens. Ooh. And it smells horrible, and there's no tip. Maybe there's tips in one of the bags. I don't see it, but Jesus Christ. Yeah, so use this in a very well ventilated area because that's awful. Alright, and so this is supposed to be some type of a tire removal tool. So it'll be interesting to figure out how that works. Another detailing brush. And if you like to travel, there's a little tray that connects to your AC vent, and it'll hold your dipping sauces or whatever the hell else you want to put in it. And again, here's another thing. I have no idea what the hell it is, but it said white 4-pack. And there are 4 of them in the bag, so they got that right. Alright, so this is headlight repair. So it's some type of a cleaning liquid. After opening that paint pen, I don't know if I want to open another chemical. So there you go. So that's what that is. And I thought this would actually be a lot bigger than it is. But this is a dent puller. It's a little suction cup that will it'll remove dents. Maybe it'll work. I don't know. Maybe we'll try that on my daughter's Kia. She's got a little dent that needs to come out on that. Alright, then we've got some non-marring trim removal tools. That metal edge actually kind of feels a little sharp, so that's good. That'll leave a mark. And then the plastic ones, I don't know. These feel really cheap, and the edges do not feel that smooth either. So, anyway, I think they were only a couple of dollars. Got them in blue. Oh, this is this is like a plastic crowbar. So, again, these edges are not soft, but different trim removal tools. So, there you go. Now this one is pretty exciting. I know my wife has been waiting for this. So this is, let me get this other shit out of here. So this is a squeegee for your rear view mirror. And it also telescopes. Because why would you want to be next to your mirror when you're cleaning it? So this will be interesting to try out. And then last but not least, and the most expensive item that we bought on this order. That's right. Car DVR Full HD. It's 1080p. I thought it said it was 4K in the ad. I'll have to reread that, but you know, for $10, why not give it a try, see if it works. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell for future videos. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.